So in the measurement of accuracy, so far we have talked about bias and we have talked about linearity. Now here we have the third measurement, which is the stability. Stability is related to time. If your bias changes over time, let's say if you are using this pressure gauge and the bias is 1 psi. So let's say if you use this gauge for 6 months and now if you measure the bias, now the bias has changed from 1 psi to 2 psi. That time factor which changes the bias is stability. So if your instrument is stable, then over time the bias will not change. If the bias is changing over time, then that is the stability issue. So with this, now we have covered the three items in accuracy part: the bias, the linearity and the stability. Now with this, let's move on to the precision part, from accuracy to precision.